to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. Man, this is one hectic week, my friends. It is hectic. Wendy's, KFC, Dairy Queen, Arby's, all new items, all packed in on a Monday. And, Tuesday, or Monday and Tuesday. And I'm getting everything wrapped up. We're getting it together. But Dairy Queen summer menu is out now. Puppy Chow, peanut butter puppy chow right here. It's a peanut butter topping mixed with puppy chow pieces, which is like Muddy Buddies, and choco chunks. Then you've got Brookie Oreo Brookie, which is simply put Oreos and Brookies. S'mores is back. There's a few other blizzards. Cotton candy, I'm sure. I hope. It's a cult following, so I think people would be mad. The caramel mocha shake is back. They got a new Misty Twisty. Frozen hot chocolate's back. I don't think I've tried that, so I'll probably do a review on that. And a new burger, a new Hidden Valley Ranch barbecue burger. I don't know much on that. You will get a review. Just stay tuned. Lots to cover. Haven't even addressed the other companies, but I already did my Arby's review. Wendy's coming later today. KFC, I guess I'll upload that later today too, and do Wendy's tomorrow. It's a lot, folks. It's a lot. So if you want to know about all the newest fast food reviews, hit that subscribe button, because there's a lot of reviews coming. I'm telling you what. All right, so I'm going to pose for this thumbnail, and we're going to try and show off what we can see. Not sure what that is. I guess that's not. Maybe Puppy Chow's not what I thought. Maybe it's not like a Muddy Buddy. Maybe it's and this spoon's gonna give me a hard time. Yep. Maybe it's like a chocolate peanut butter thing. But we're gonna figure it out, and we're gonna try it. So here we go. I love the peanut butter base. You know what would be really good is if you take this peanut butter topping and you get cheesecake pieces. That would be interesting. So it is like a Muddy Buddy, but it's instead of white chocolate on the outside, it's got like milk chocolate. There's more milk chocolate and more peanut butter to it. I think it's definitely an interesting concept. But I'm not so sure I'm a big Puppy Chow fan. There's a bit of like an artificial tang to it. I like the crunch though. It really adds a nice texture. But as for the two blizzards, I definitely prefer Oreo Brookie. Yeah. There's something about the Puppy Chow I'm not loving. I like the peanut butter base. I like the choco chunks, and I like the crunch, but I'm not the biggest Puppy Chow fan. So I think I'll give it a 7. It's not a bad thing. The Puppy Chow isn't bad. It's definitely interesting, but I definitely prefer Oreo Brookie. So I'm shocked. By the way, Oreo Brookie review is probably going to be uploaded tomorrow. I'm going to focus on Puppy Chow because there's a lot of hype around that one. But yeah, I don't know. It's decent. I like the peanut butter and the chocolate there, but the Puppy Chow pieces I'm not a huge fan of. Some people might love it. I'm not the biggest fan. So hopefully you enjoyed this review. Other than that, stay tuned. A few more items from Dairy Queen we got to review, and plenty of other fast food places have new things too. So other than that, I'll see y'all around.